To simplify this expression, let's use rules for exponents. So that's 64 to the 1/2 power. That is c to the 4/3 to the 1/2 power. So that would be c raised to a power of 4/3 times 1/2. The power of a power, we multiply exponents. In the denominator, that's a to the negative 2/3 power raised to this power, so I will also multiply exponents, and then b to the 5/6 power raised to the 1/2 power. Again, that means I multiply exponents. So let's see what we have. By the way, what is 64 to the 1/2 power? That is the square root of 64, which is 8. And then I have c raised to a power of, we're multiplying fractions, so we can go ahead and look for common factors, and we have a common factor of 2 here. That's 2 times 1, or 2, over 3 times 1, or 3, so that's c raised to a power of 2/3. In the denominator, I have a. Now this is going to be negative because I've got a negative fraction times a positive fraction, common factor of 2, so I have negative 1/3, and then b raised to a power of nothing that can be divided out, so 5 times 1, or 5, over 6 times 2, or 12. I'd like to write this so that I have positive exponents only, so I will take a step and write this as 8. Now I'll go ahead and write my a to the 1/3 power here in the numerator. It's a to the negative 1/3 power in the denominator, so if I bring it to the numerator, it's a to the 1/3 power, c to the 2/3 power, over, and then I have b to the 5/12 power. No further simplifying can be done because these bases are all different.